step into the 2011 Toyota Prius. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: rear head airbag, brake assist, front wheel drive, power door locks, pass-through rear seat, child safety locks, trip computer, adjustable steering wheel, and stability control. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.